guys, today I got something bomb once again, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Something real simple, affordable, and easy and fast. Se llama enchiladas. Quiero pensar que se llaman así. I don't really know. Pero lleva tortillas, queso fresco y salsa del pato. Real easy. All you have to do is fry the tortillas, que se hagan como chips, y les echas la salsa y después les echas el queso. Así de simple, so, manos a la obra. Les voy a enseñar ese truquito. What? Hit my eye. Sorry guys, I just hit my eye with a piece of tortilla. See, there's a good side and a bad side. Kick your ass. Me pica el ojo. Alright, after a brief tortilla slap to my eye, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. But guess what? I'm a player and I don't play till I die. So unless you're gonna kill me, I'm coming back for you. Alright? Fuck you. Right, now that I got my anger out of it, let's get back to this show. Okay, now I need to go get more because I threw the rest in the ground. So, as I was saying, chilaquiles. However you guys mention it, I don't know, but así los llamo yo. A lot of people put onion, but I don't like onion. So yo no les pongo la verga. So what you want to do is you want to make it into squares, triangles, circles, just little pieces. Like this. Alright, but I guess before we cut them, we should have put our oil to fucking get ready, because now we gotta sit here and wait for. You want to make sure you use a lot because you're frying. But in the meanwhile, vamos a rallar el queso. So by the time that comes out, we are ready. I don't know, I like to break my cheese in different. I got más chido. Más chilo. Pinche cagadero se va a hacer, pero la comida va a estar bomb. Eso tengo por seguro, 1000%. We have our napkins with our plate ready para que se estilen, and our tenazas. And look, the oil is ready, so hay que echarle. Ahora verga, hay que bajarle un poquito para que no sea un cagadero. Alright. The way I pull them out usually con una coladera. Move them around town. Depending on how crispy you want them, you could either put them for more time or less time. But no shit, huh? But also remember that you gotta put them in the sauce. Está, mira. Vámonos. I would have had more, but then, if you guys remember, hit my eye and I threw a couple in the floor. I'm not gonna eat those because I got more. While that's going, let's open. You can use one per serving, or depending on how many I'm making. But I usually like these can openers because they never fail. Now you want to prepare your second batch of estilar. Now I feel like this recipe is very easy. Some of you guys already know it, some of you guys might not. But for those of you who don't, try it out. Buy the exact same thing and try it out. Guarantee you, you'll like it. Se me hace agua la boca thinking about it. Just you don't want to get them too fried, because then by the time you take them off and stuff, they're gonna get burnt. once the tortillas are fried, let's change pots. Unless you want to take the oil off then and there, you can do that, but I don't feel like doing that. It comes about that time. Put them like that. Luego le echas la del pato. Next, you want to stir it around town. Bájale un poquito porque está quemando a la verga. Se me hace agua la boca, like I can't wait to dig into this. Right now, got like 2 more minutes of mixing. Make sure all the sauce is in the little potato chips. And then we put our queso. Pork it is. That was exhausting. But it's about that time. What time? Time to plate! It's time to plate! Mira. I think I'm gonna need a bigger one of these, cause como que no, este no ya no la está haciendo. ¿Entiendes? So after we put it in the plate, comes the best time to throw in the cheese. Algo bien, señores y señoras. Era una montañita de queso. La neta, try it out, guys. If you haven't done this recipe, try it out. If you've done, I'm pretty sure most of everybody has done because it's real easy. But it's real fast and real good, so try it out. You looking at me. Well, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Ya te la sabes.